Look at her.
Okay, so we're gonna hop right into it. And what I'm doing here is basically putting my little side hairs down, because I will be wearing those out with my wig just to give it a more of a full wig type of, look. And I'm using this Kiss by Evan. And honestly, this stuff, I like it. It hasn't led me wrong yet.
Whichever one is in the household, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor.
And right here, I'm just showing y'all the construction of the wig. It comes with a wig band, one wig comb, and one adjustable strap at the back. And that's it. I kind of don't like my wigs to be without at least 3 combs, but it's okay, It has an adjustable strap, so I wouldn't have to worry about it going anywhere. But yeah, that's how we looking right there. And I feel like, honestly, this wig came in the middle part when I first got it, but it came just like this. Like, it came with the baby hairs already laid and the knots already bleached and it already plugged. So I feel like if I didn't want the middle part, I could just fix that. But other than that, I could just put the wig on and go, really. So it really lives up to the glueless bye-bye knot type of wig. It's not just, advertised as that. So next, what I'm going to get into is just laying my edges down how I want them and actually applying some holding spray to my wig. And y'all see, I showed y'all right there how the sides look. Like, it literally gives like a full wig type of look, So that's why I leave my edges out. Not my edges, my side pieces out. Love using Eco Styler gel on curly hair when it comes to laying baby hairs. I don't know if y'all do, but I love to use Eco Styler. It gets the baby hairs down, okay? And it doesn't make it hard. It gives it that like perfect hold to me. And I must say, the baby hairs on this wig didn't cut them or anything. They came just like this. All I did was literally lay them down how I want to lay them down, because when I first got them, they was kind of looking a little weird. Like, they look like mustache. I don't know how to explain it. It looked like a mustache, like a fake cartoon mustache, if y'all know what I'm talking about, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, so right here I'm just spraying the Evan spray on my finger and just applying it to the lace. And honestly, from what y'all saw, it looked melted right there, don't it? Like, I didn't put nothing on the lace or anything. I just used the spray and kept going. But we're going to tie it down for at least a good 30 minutes. And then we're going to figure out where we want to wear our part. So what I was doing right here, and y'all, I just love this hair. It just makes me feel so sexy. I don't know. The hair just activates the bad bitch in me. I don't know. But this is the important step right here. Comb your curly hair. Well, this is not really curly, it's more wavy. But any type of any wig really. But especially when it comes to curly hair, please comb your hair before you go to applying water and just combing through it with your fingers. No, actually brush through the hair so you could take out any hair that's trying to just stick together and trying to mat up or anything. go ahead and comb it out so you could avoid doing all of that, you know, going through all that, I mean. But it took me the longest to, this is why I don't do middle parts. It took me the longest to try to do a middle part, so yeah. But now we're just hot combing and getting it all flat and straight, you guys. And honestly, y'all, I love this wig. I don't really have too much bad to say about it, but one thing that I definitely could say about this wig, I wish that the knots were like bleached a little bit better. It's not bad at all, but I don't know, I feel like the bleach could have stayed on the knots for a little bit longer. But yeah, it's not too bad though. Y'all can't see them for real if you put powder on it. And for my video, I don't think I put any powder on it, so I think it kind of like hid pretty well. I don't think it's nothing else that I want to say about this wig. I don't really have nothing bad to say about it. Look at those waves, y'all. That is so pretty. I love it. And literally all I used was some water in this Verb product. This Verb product really could leave your hair really looking with that wet look. But the only way to keep that wet look that you want is to not touch the hair at all. Just let it air dry. If you don't touch it at all, it's literally gonna dry like it's still wet. So yeah. See, me personally, I like to have a little volume in my hair, you know, so y'all would definitely see that in the end, how it ended up drying. And it wasn't too much frizz, and the only frizz that came from it is me disturbing the hair. So, you know, I really like this product on this hair. Now, when I take this band off in a second, y'all will see the beginning part was kind of off to the side a little bit. And I knew I was going to have to fix that because I was covering it. But that's pretty much all I had to do after that. After that, I was finished. And I just let my hair air dry for a while. And y'all will see the finished product when I come back in a second. Because I'll try to put some powder on my lace and show that. But my camera ended up dying. Y'all will see. So when I come back, y'all see the dried look. What you feel, baby, I'm dressed. You baby, open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, I'm dressed. You baby, open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. The last time y'all saw me, I was trying to put the powder on my hair. This is the final product, and my hair is only frizzy like this right here is because I kind of just like brushed it back. I use water and I use that Verb product that I showed y'all. Them two products will get this hair looking how you want it to. Now over here you could kind of see how it's drying right here. It's not all that frizzy, but the only reason why it's frizzy is because I actually I did that, and I was trying to see if I was gonna like it if I did it on like a, you know, because this wig is big enough to wear it on either side, either way. You could do a half up, half down with this, but this hair right here is short, so you'll probably have to add hair. But other than that, this hair, I like it, like, y'all. This hair, I'll have the information about it in the description below. And I actually spent my money for this wig. I was not sent this with promo. This was something that I bought. When I say I've been loving this hair, this hair has really been, I wouldn't say Okay, so when I first got this hair, I feel like I did have to like figure it out how I wanted to wear it. But as far as plucking it, bleaching it, I have not done none of that. How it looks right now is how it came. Like as far as the bleach knots, the baby hair, it all came, the plucking, it all came like that. This wig was supposed to be a glueless wig and a wig that you could just easily just install on your own. So yeah, this is supposed to be one of those wigs. And I feel like for a beginner, if you're somebody that doesn't really get into like doing your hair that much or anything, I feel like this is a good wig to buy. I believe the density of it is 150. Don't quote me, but I believe it is. And I feel like it's pretty thick. Y'all don't see no spaces or nothing when I lift the hair up or nothing like that. I feel like it's actually the density I paid for. I'm happy with it. It's not too thick, but it's full enough to the point where you don't see no like spaces or no gaps or anything. Okay, so I honestly, truthfully believe this is a wig that you definitely can wear glueless, and that you could buy it and you could just put it on your head. But I'm gonna say one more thing about this company: the shipping. When I tell y'all, the shipping was so fast, I kid y'all not. I ordered this wig on like I think a Tuesday, I want to say, or Wednesday. I want to say it was Tuesday. I ordered this wig on Tuesday and I got it like Friday. Like this wig came so quick. So if y'all want something probably within a week, depending on where you stay at, because I think it shipped from Georgia. But if you want something quick, I feel like this would be a company to just, you know, go ahead and buy something during the week, and it'll ship out to you that same exact week. So you'll probably get it either by the end of the week or beginning of the next previous week. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I love that. I love fast shipping when it comes to hair. Okay, but anyway, yeah, that was pretty much all I have to say about this hair, like in general. I love it so far. It's nice and soft. This hair hasn't given me any problems, and I've been wearing this hair for like 3 weeks now. So this is an honest review for real, because this is something I bought with my money, for one, and something that I've actually been wearing these last couple of days, just testing it out or whatnot. Because I was seeing this wig on Instagram like crazy, and the girl was showing how it was like glueless and stuff. I was like, oh, okay, I like this, so I got it. But that's pretty much all I have to say. If y'all want to know any information about this wig, it will definitely be in the description box down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.